Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing video for you guys. And this unboxing will be, the Beyblade, a 3D printed Beyblade. Gorgeous, cool looking Beyblade right here. The name of it is, hold up, let me get the name. I got this on Shapeways. Let me get the right name for it. Oh god, no. But I'm gonna probably change the name of it because this looks pretty cool. Actually, I'm gonna have you guys name this Beyblade in the comment section below. Name this, yeah. Okay. God damn it, where did it go? But yeah, if you guys can't tell in the background, I'm putting Beyblades together for a full collection video. So yeah, this is actually how it was in the when you first get the base. So yeah, here's the disc I'm gonna be using. It's wide. So this is gonna be fun. Probably gonna put a Magnum core system in it. Here's the layer. Here's the driver. This is my first 3D printed driver, or tip. Right there. Bit chip. Okay. Okay, there we go. There we go. Oh geez, this looks really good. I might paint it, but yeah. Let me know in the comment section below what name I should give this bay. And let's get the clips pieces right here. I'm probably gonna be adding some black and white and stuff like that. I mean red and white. To some of these pieces and stickers right here. These will be stickers. I'm probably gonna have to make it myself. But yeah. Oh yeah. And I'm probably going to design something for the face bolt. This was a Magnum core, so a V-Force series Beyblade. So yeah. There we go. Okay, there we go. Oh god. Okay, that is working right now. Okay. Okay, it could be these, but I'm not sure. Okay. Let me put these all in here and see if it works. Because it could be the actual, these pieces right here. Okay, there we go. Wasn't expecting that. Ugh. I see what they try to do here. But yeah. Yeah, it was just these. Or yeah, could have been a little bit bigger, but okay. Yeah, see? And there's probably gonna be I'm going to clean and do this, sand this probably to get it down a bit so I can actually go. Yeah, okay, inch or two, maybe. Yeah, inch or two. So BRB. Okay, got that to work. Now let's put this guy in. There we go. Clip that in. That looks cool as hell. Here's the frame. Okay. Oh god. Okay, sorry about that. That took a bit, but yeah, here we go. Here's the Beyblade. We'll do a little test spin on it. Okay, let me get the launcher. Oh god, sorry. Whoa, I didn't mean to hit the tripod. Yeah. But yeah, it looks so good. I like this one a lot. And another plastic generation bay. I'm probably gonna be making one myself. Oh god. Oh god. Stadium. Be right back. Okay, there we go. Here's the first test launch. Oh, that looks so good. I can't wait to get stickers on this guy. I think it's gonna be a bull. These are the horns, and yeah, this is gonna be a bull bay or Taurus. This seems like a balance type. Let me do a little test battle. This is gonna be a... Whoops. Sorry, I need my little tripod I have. Stay. There we go. Got in. Okay, let's go. Get the other launcher. This is gonna be its first test spin. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do more battles with this guy. Hey. Okay, sorry I went quiet. I just thought I paused my phone. Oh, good. There we go. Oh, jeez. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.